Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, we are in the community of Lakes at Creekside in Tomball, Texas. The home that we are going to view today is the Toll Brother and is a part of their villa collection. The model's name is the Atom. Now, the Atom is a two-story, 4 to 5 bedroom home. You have an option from 3 to 4 bedrooms, and there is also a half bath. The home is a little over 3,100 square feet, and currently the starting price is a little bit north of the $600,000 range. My name is Linda Blue, your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. If you don't mind, please make sure that you hit that subscribe, like, and that bell to be notified of weekly videos. All right, let's go ahead and continue with this tour. Thank you so much for sticking around to view this beautiful home built by Toll Brothers that is located in Lakes at Creekside in Tomball, Texas. And if you have any questions about this home, the builder, or any other homes, please leave a comment below and I'll make sure I will respond. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you have not, please make sure you do hit that subscribe, that like, and that bell to be notified of new videos. Thank you so much again for watching. You have a wonderful and blessed day.